welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 3 items. I'm going to be reviewing 3 individual Dazzle Shadows Extreme, which are these here. I'm going to be reviewing an Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette, which is the Bronze Goddess Azur eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be reviewing MAC's Barbie Lipstick. So if you're curious about that or want to know more about it, stay tuned. So the first item I'm going to be reviewing are the 3 individual MAC eyeshadows, which are the Dazzle Shadow Extreme individual shadows. These I purchased off the MAC website. I was very fortunate to be able to catch them on a sale. They had buy 2, get the 3rd one free. So I got one of these for free. So the colors that I'm going to be showing you is Couture Copper, which is this one here. And the second one is Object Dart. And this 3rd one here is called Incinerated. Very pretty. And I'll give you guys some swatches here. So this one is Incinerated. And by the way, they do feel very nice and creamy. Very nice. Not sure if I get too close. I'm hoping that's good enough. This one is Object Dart. So let's see this one here. As you can see, they're very metallic and they're creamy for sure. This one is gorgeous. Look at that one. And this 3rd one is the Couture Copper. Very pretty. They're very creamy for sure. Look at that. And they're very intensified. Very nice. So I'll do a makeup look on this and then let you know my thoughts as I'm putting them on. I'm going to be putting these 2, which is the Couture Copper and Incinerated on the lid and outer corner. And then I'll be using About Dart on the inner corner of the eye. So I'll use a MAC 242S brush. I'm going to use some Fix Plus just to kind of see if I can bring out the color a bit more. Wow, it's really pretty, very nice metallic. I like it. Very pretty. All right, let's go in with Incinerated. And I'm going to put that one on the lid. And you know what? Let me spray that with some Fix Plus. I was kind of expecting this to be a bit darker, but it's alright. I think it just looks darker in the pan. Yeah, I really like it. It looks really nice if you put Fix Plus on it. Highly recommend you put it. I think without it, it doesn't pop out as much. Okay, so now I'm going to use a jet dart on the inner corner, and I'm using a Morphe 431 brush, sort of like a corner brush. And yeah, let me wet that. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, holy, that's so beautiful. Wow. I just want to keep adding it. That is so beautiful. It's so gold. Can you see that? That looks pretty. I'm going to put some of the Incinerated on the bottom lid. And I did wet this brush to put this Incinerated color on. Alright, so let me finish this look so I can come back and show you the completed look for this look. So I'm back with the completed look, and I think it came out really nice. I really like the eyeshadows. Yeah, I'm really liking them. So let's move on to the Barbie lipstick. Guys, isn't this packaging so pretty? Look at that. It's foiled, pink and gold. It is just gorgeous. And I do love the gold lipstick. This is so creative, so cute, so pretty. Yeah. And the color is perfect. It is so Barbie color. So I'm going to try on the lipstick now for this look here. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? I'm liking the eyeshadows a lot. Yeah. We're going to talk about the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Azur eyeshadow palette. This is gorgeous. I mean, just look at the packaging. You open it, it does have a mirror at the bottom, really pretty, and it has 9 shades in it. So there's 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. Very pretty. And you can definitely tell which ones are the shimmers, like that one, this blue one here, this green one, this here in the middle, and then definitely this yellow one here. And the rest are matte. So I'll give you guys some swatches so you can see them. So let's start off with this green one here. And then this blue. You guys can see them. They're kind of light. This one's light. Yeah. I'm putting a picture of the palette right there so you can see the swatches to which color I'm referring to. The swatches did not come out that great. That one is that one there. And then there goes that blue one. And then this one's sort of like a skin color. And then this is the green one. So they came out really light. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like them when I start putting them on to do the look, but we'll see. So this is how the other colors look. It's just these three here. So let's see. This is the yellow one, the brown, and this is a darker green. Okay. The yellow one came out really nice, I think, in my opinion. Has more pigmentation than any of the other ones. The brown, it's right in the middle. And the darker green, it's just too light. And these are the last two colors. So this one's supposed to be a brow bone color, and this one's the middle one. This one's the middle color. So let's see. That's how it looks. They don't seem that intense. Not the way they're looking on the pan. But again, let's just go through the makeup look and see how they perform. So blue I'll put all over the lid. Maybe this one will be 3/4 of the lid. Transition shade, inner corner. So I'm using that brown color as a transition. It's coming out really pigmented. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be that dark. The brush I used is the Morphe M518 brush for transition. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the blue color for the eyelid, and I'm using a MAC 242S brush. And I'm going to start off just with the brush, but I'm also going to try it out with Fix Plus. MAC's Fix Plus, just to see if it really helps bring out this shimmer out. So far it's okay. It's really not popping out as much as I thought. But then again, I have expectations on shimmers and metallics. But you know what? So let me try on the Fix Plus. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's helping bring out that blue. I'm wondering if I were to use my finger, it would come a little different. It's a little more vibrant or deeper. It's like it's popping out more with the finger. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to put in the dark green color, and I'm going to pack that in on the 3/4 of the outside lid. And I'm going in with the same brush that I was using, the MAC 242S brush, and I'm just going to pack that up in the outer corner. And I'm going to use my pinky now. So I'm just going to blend this out a bit here on the top. So far I'm liking it. You just need to play around with technique, I think, and how to make that color pop out. And now I'm going in with the yellow color, and I'm putting that in the inner eye. And this one is the Morphe M431 brush. Wow, this color is beautiful. Wow, look how gold that is. That looks gorgeous. All right, and I'm going to put some of that blue color on my lower lid, but I'm also going to spray it with some Fix Plus. I'm just gonna blend out the colors. Let me finish this look and I'll be right back. I'm back with a completed look for this Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette. The colors came out nice. I like how the palette looks, but I do find that you have to work with these colors. If you're a person who likes intensity like I do, you'll either have to use some Fix Plus to help bring out the vibrancy in these colors, or you could use your finger like what I did on my left eye lid. If you use both the finger and the brush, I think it would really help bring out the vibrancy in the eyeshadow palettes. So it is my first Estee Lauder palette, and I like it. Yeah, would I recommend it? Yeah, if you're a person who's worn eyeshadows before and you don't mind using technique to help bring out the vibrancy in colors, yeah, I think you would like this palette. And I think I will buy some more if I find some color stories that I really like. So, and as far as for the others, just to kind of wrap everything up, I'm really happy with the metallic eyeshadows from MAC, the Extreme eyeshadows. Those were really pretty too. If you're into metallics, you're gonna love them. Just use some Fix Plus to help bring out the vibrancy as well on those. The lipstick, I thought it was so cute that they bought back a Barbie lipstick. The lipstick is beautiful. The packaging is adorable. And I do like how they reference this as a bubblegum pink color, which is so very true. So I think, yeah, if you are curious about these products, give them a try. I hope that at least through me trying them, that I gave you some idea if these products would be for you. But I did like all the 3 products I purchased. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you soon in another video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I love doing product reviews and doing looks with them to kind of help you, give you some insight to the product. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And definitely give a thumbs up if you did like this video. And until then, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.